you want to add content to your module that's just a simple curriculum material, let's walk through these steps. So I have a module, I have a quiz, but I want to have the material, like the video that they're going to watch before that. So we're going to go ahead and add, and I'm going to pick, instead of assignment, I'm going to create a page, and we'll make it a new page, and I'll say computer history. All right. And we'll go ahead and keep the indentation the same, and we're going to add the item. There it is. We'll position it up in front of that, and let's go ahead and edit it. And we come here and edit. All right, we've got the content. Now here's some text I had in the clipboard. I pasted it in. Nice thing here, we have, I can go ahead and mark stuff, bold and underline. I can do that. I can do that through those keystrokes. I just use that, or I can click in here and you'll see the pieces that are selected. So this is just like you would see in Google Docs or in Gmail. It integrates well with Grammarly if you're using that. So go ahead and dismiss that content. And now let's look at how we would actually add a video. There's plugins. I hit the plugin. Here's the YouTube plugin. Come in here to content, and I'll search for computer science #1, and I'm going to go do the search. Here it's got it. That's the top one. I happen to know the name of it. If you had the URL, you could just paste that in directly, but if you want to do searching, you can do that. Now in the embed, you got several options. Just like Classroom, you could just put it in a link. Then when they click it, it'll open up in another tab. Or we can embed it directly in the content. And this prevents the students from having to hop out and kind of keeps their focus on the topic. We'll just hit the embed. We've got the content in on here. And now I'm just going to go ahead and save that. Well, before I can actually mark it as something to do. So I can actually make it as an assignment. Now for content with just a YouTube video, there's no specific engagement. It just knows that the students have visited the page, and you as a teacher can see how long they spent there. So if they were only there 5 seconds, okay, it's not there. We'll ignore Mastery Pass for now. Save the exercise. There, we are ready to go. So this is what it's going to look like for students. This is the content you have. You can put the YouTube video. You could put additional YouTube videos or other material that you could embed afterwards, maybe an interactive programming piece. So when they see it, they just play it, they run in here. Because you are running in there, we're not going to get the pre-roll ads and the parts that goes with that. There you go. All right. Go make great curriculum.